In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Sheets into your WordPress website. This process is immensely valuable for anyone looking to share dynamic and up-to-date data directly on their site. By the end of this session, you'll be able to have a seamless integration of your Google Sheets, providing your visitors with real-time information housed within your WordPress environment. First, the journey begins by opening your Google Sheets document. If you've got significant data ready to be shared, you are already halfway there. Up on the right corner, you'll notice the File menu. Clicking this, a drop-down will extend from which you need to select the Publish to the Web option. From here, a window will pop up, ready to transform your spreadsheet into an easily shareable format. Now, in this new window, you'll see multiple options for publishing. Your task here is to ensure the right format is selected. Choose the Link option, followed by Entire Document to make sure all your valuable data is included. Then, click on the Publish button. You might receive a prompt here where you need to confirm your choice. Don't worry, this will not make your document publicly searchable, but merely viewable by those with its direct link. After completing the steps within your Google Sheets, it's time to leap over to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the page or post where you want this data to appear. Inside the WordPress editor, you'll be spending some time ensuring it gets placed just where you want it. Once in the editor, it's essential to decide where your embedded sheet fits best. Scrolling through your page layout, find the perfect spot. You can either use a classic editor or the newer block editor. The method might slightly differ, but both are straightforward once you get the hang of them. If you are using the block editor, select the Add Block button. It's usually represented with a small plus icon. From there, navigate to the Custom HTML option. This is your gateway for adding the precise embed code generated earlier. Paste it in this space. For those using the classic editor, switch from visual to text mode, allow your HTML to shine, and then paste your code there. Before slapping the Update or Publish button, take a moment to preview the changes. Give it a moment to reflect your updates, ensuring everything appears just right. The embed should seamlessly reflect the data from your Google Sheet, practically as if the spreadsheet lives within your page. In this video, you've learned to bridge Google Sheets with WordPress, directly embedding them onto your site. This connectivity is invaluable for those maintaining statistical data or simply wishing to provide downloadable content to their audience. Now that you have this skill, you can present real-time updates effortlessly. Thank you for following along as we tidy up these essential steps. Stay